an important project for the economy of Laval and Montreal East which will benefit future generations. Indeed, the Highway 25 Completion project is the first infrastructural public-private partnership in Quebec. It's a historical day for the A25 Highway project. We are placing concrete for the final lift of the pylon at Pier 10. The formwork system is now erected. The survey team validates its position to ensure that the pylon's camber is respected. The surveyor then takes measurements related to knowing reference points, and workers are adjusting the formwork system accordingly. We can now install the elephant trunks, which will be guiding the concrete to the bottom of the section in order to avoid the formation of air pockets in the concrete casting. Concrete is loaded into a bucket carried by the crane. The crane hoists the bucket to the top of the pylon, 61 meters higher, so that the concrete can be poured into the elephant trunks. We must also ensure to successively feed each trunk so that the concrete level rises uniformly over the entire surface. To obtain an optimal mix, we must vibrate the concrete with the assistance of vibrators. The concrete casting was completed in less than ideal weather conditions, a mix of rain and snow. It was almost midnight when the final touch was given, and all workers were able to return home. On the Montreal side, the first phase of concrete placement marked another historical step in the project. This first span is also the overpass of Boulevard Gouin. To accomplish concrete placement, a large team is put to work. Workers are pouring and vibrating concrete before the surfacing machine can thoroughly complete the finishing of the surface. The infrastructure of the overpass of Boulevard Perras being completed, we're proceeding to paving. Once paving is finished, we will move on to road marking and its opening for traffic. Thereafter, the temporary detour that had been built to allow the traffic flow while construction work took place will be dismantled. This ends our 7th webcast about the progress of the completion of the A25 project. We hope that you enjoyed watching and invite you to come back and regularly check this website, or you may subscribe to the RSS feed to remain at the forefront of the evolution of this project. An Uber Media production made possible by Concession A25 and Kiewit Parsons.